And the race is on. Lady Diamond Instant. Moving up is Delgado, Grace Park Boy. Rushing up Don Alejandro. Ingay. Is on the federal side. Delgado Instant, Grace Park Boy. Rushing up Don Alejandro. Lady Diamond is running in fifth. Bideral Ingay. Racing six. Bideral Showmaster. Star of Manel and Scud Missile. Three runners fighting around for the lead. Delgado in the middle. Instant alongside by the rallies Grace Park Boy. Don Alejandro, Lady Diamond. Number 2, Showmaster. Ingay. Rounding the far turn. Instant by a long nose by the rallies Delgado, Grace Park Boy down on the inside. And Don Alejandro. Ingay. So on the outside. Showmaster also rushing up. A Star of Manel by the Scott Missile as they race the final corner. Three runners fighting up for the lead. Instant, Grace Park Boy, Showmaster sneaking by the run. Don Alejandro, Ingay is on the outside. Instant, Ingay moving up from the outside to grab the lead. And finally, Ingay, second instance, Scott Missile, Don Alejandro and Showmaster for your Pentafecta.